If you're curious about the real estate market in Orange County, California, you'll want to watch this video. We're going to give you a market update for February 2023.
Hey everyone, in this video we're going to give you a quick market update for the month of February in Orange County, California. If you're curious about what's happening in the local real estate market, or if you're thinking of buying or selling a property here soon, this video will be helpful to you. Hi, we're Rachel and Doug Swardstrom with the Swardstrom Group and Coldwell Banker Realty, and we're here with the Orange County, California market update for February of 2023.
Also, if this is your first time at our YouTube channel, we're here to educate you to help you make informed decisions for your real estate goals. And today, we're going to be looking at the current inventory of homes on the market in Orange County. Stay tuned to the end. We're going to provide you information how to get a detailed report for you as well. We're kicking off this year with an incredible inventory. 2,500 homes in Orange County. While that number is 83% lower than the average of the last 3 years and 35% lower than the total over the last 10, demand remains high. In fact, we've seen a 4% uptick in the new escrows in just the past 2 weeks. This January has been by far one of the busiest months on record, indicating that inventory is winning out over price appreciation and leading to an inevitable deceleration. Let's see what 2023 has in store for us.
Rates are on their way down, which is excellent news for buyers. Mortgage rates started in January of 2022 at just over 3%. They jumped over double to 7%, and now they've since fallen back down to about the 6.4 range. This has created a huge boost in the Orange County market, as 10-year interest-only loans now feature some of the best rates we've seen in years. So buyers may want to take note that it's becoming increasingly apparent in the Orange County market it is not following national trends, and the discounts may be harder to come by. So be sure to make sure you partner with an experienced real estate professional.
For buyers, now is the time for you to look at your dream home. It's important to make a smart deal, as discounts should be harder to come by in the Orange County market. Don't miss out. If it's the right fit for your family, take the plunge and make it yours. And for sellers, now is the time to capitalize. If you have a unique and special property especially, that's move-in ready. Prices are very sensitive, and these properties are commanding the highest prices. For homes that need a little work or a complete remodel, call us. We can help you get the most out of your home without spending extra money. We have a special program in another video called Real Vitalize.
New pending inventory and escrows have seen a 4% uptick over the last 2 weeks, showing there are more buyers out there than we've seen before, looking for the right property. So we're on the forefront of a shift as predicted back in October, with an expected hopeful market in 2023, with stabilized and increasing prices in coastal Orange County. Some deceleration may come from the recent market due to the last couple of years and what's happened in the world, but overall it is still positive.
Coastal Orange County has an inventory of only 1,600 homes. That's a notable reduction from the past 10 years. In 2023, so far, 3 properties have sold or gone into escrow, with one surpassing $20 million. This indicates that it will likely be an excellent year for coastal Orange County. Now, it's essential to recognize that we live in one of the best places in the world, and you cannot place our area in the overall market nationally, as it has its own distinct factors and potentials must be accounted for. With the right real estate strategies, these limits can provide a range of benefits to those within the area, including higher than average appreciation and more stable values.
So if you're looking to buy or sell in Orange County, it is a great time to get the ball rolling. Don't miss out on this great market ahead. Reach out and call us today.
Visit our website, text, or give us a call. We're happy to ensure that your real estate experience is successful and stress-free. And as we said at the beginning of the video, if you'd like a copy of our February market report with graphs and data, we're happy to send you this as a PDF as well. Please hit the link below. Thanks for watching.